After the Kayangan Lake, we are heading to Coral Garden. It is almost like around 15 minutes ride in the boat. The boat ride is very pleasant and beautiful. It's got a very lot of good sceneries. You will enjoy it on the way. I was just chilling and taking rest. So we arrive at the Coral Garden. It is underwater. Parking here is not free. It is 200 peso per boat. It is all part of the tour.
See a small ladder. Okay.
Until this point, I have no clue what will happen next because the water current is too high. I can't even swim and cross the current. I was sucked into the current. I can't even swim against it. I tried my best, but I couldn't do it. So I had to go back to my boat. Filming with GoPro in one hand and swimming against the current is not a good combo. Fortunately, nearby I had an anchor point to hold on and take a break for relax.
Current is too much.
I don't want to give up, so I took the round 2 to get this footage.
Go.
Look at that! So beautiful. It's very amazing when you see under the water how beautiful it is, the coral. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. When I see this amazing underwater coral garden, I totally forgot what happened earlier. It was really a dream come true experience. But every time I go to the next place, it is topping up my experience. It is more beautiful than the last one. I don't know, only Coron can do that. Alright, our next stop is Twin Lagoon. I heard very good things about this place. We are approaching Twin Lagoon. Wow, look at my left. Somebody kayaking alone. That need more courage. Me, I won't. At last, we reached the Twin Lagoon. From this perspective, you cannot see so much of beauty because when you fly the drone up, you can see more fantastic view to enjoy the real beauty of this place. This place is so amazing. I don't know what to say. You will see in a minute. I was surrounded by rocky hills and in between crystal clear water. This is the 360 view for the Twin Lagoon. So I tried to do my drone shot. Looks like Twin Lagoon circled by the mountain. Remember the previous video? We went to the public market to buy a lunch for 3 of us. The food cooked and ready to eat. I'm hungry. I'm going to dig in. This is the most beautiful place I ever had a lunch in my life. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you.